천 동캔 충중니 Little painters. 천 동캔 충중니 Little painters. It was holiday time. Datun and Tenzin were in the garden. There were tins of paint everywhere. 대린 공생래 Datun thang Tenzin ni dumre nangdu yola Chunki jaktin kangsar tamduk. There was white paint and red paint and green paint and blue paint and yellow paint. 천 кар보당, 천 말보, 천 장쿠, 천 은보, 천 셀보 제유. The painters were busy. One painter was on a ladder. Another was on a swing hanging from the roof. Can we help? Asked Datun and Tenzin. 천 동캔 저 레가르 텔숲 체신. 천 동캔 직 깨기 땡도 대유. 신대 강래네 말 장배 장다기 땡도 대유. 다전타 땡진 니기 니니기 켄솔라 록체나 디캄 셰티. The painter gave each of them a brush. Paint the inside of the gate, he said to Datun. Paint the outside of the gate, he said to Tenzin. 천 동캔 찌개 콘솔라 팍시리 떼데 다튼라 겔괴 낭로라 천통 셰셰 땡진라 겔괴 치록라 천통 셰셰. They picked up 2 tins of paint and set to work. Datun painted one side of the gate. Tenzin painted the other side of the gate. 코니기 춘기 작진니 랑데 레가 고축 다준기 겔괴 초 찍라 춘땅 땡진기 겔괴 초 셴라 춘땅. The paint fell on the ground. The paint fell on the wall. The paint fell on them. 춘 탕라 틱 춘 강요라 틱 춘 콘수 땡라 틱 At last they finished. They wiped off the paint that had splashed on the ground. They wiped off the paint that had splashed on the wall. Tamar 콘수 살송 콘수 탕라 티베 춘 치네 장마수 콘수 강요라 티베 춘 치네 장마수 They wiped off the paint that had splashed on them. 콘주 소수 띵라 틱베 춘 치네 장마수 I love my rat gate, said Dutton. Dutton ki ngani nge gelko mabulaga shi. I love my green gate, said Tenzin. Tenzin ki ngani nge gelko jangkulaga shi. Oh, you have made a two-colored gate, said Mother. Let us keep it that way. Ame, oh, 큰수 gelkola 춘니 땅둑. 이나 양 ngansu gelko didar jogyu in shi